Hi, it's Will from CitNOW. I'm the Northern Region Account Manager, and I just wanted to share this video with you to show how you can utilise your CitNOW Sales subscription to conduct a virtual handover. First and foremost, it's always good to have the vehicle over your shoulder. Always introduce the customer by name and introduce yourself as well. Next, it's always good to show the customer the outside of their new vehicle. You can highlight any additional add-ons that the customer may have requested to have onto their vehicle, such as the privacy glass, the gunmetal alloy wheels. Just continue right round the back of the vehicle here. We can also see here that this Ford Focus has the ST line package. And that will conclude the exterior walkaround. Here we have the customer's key fob. We can show them all the features. Top button unlock, middle button lock, press again to double lock, double tap the bottom to open the rear tailgate. Here you can also show your customers how features of the seat work, such as the lumbar support, height adjustment, and also upright adjustment. You can talk your customer through any steering wheel controls that you may have. It's always really handy to show the customer exactly how the displays work. So here I'm going to show you how to access the oil life settings by going onto the settings, pressing the option button, pressing OK on information, pressing OK on oil life. You can also show your customer the different drive modes of the vehicle and show them how to access it. So here, pressing this button, this allows me to flick between normal, eco and sport mode within my vehicle. I also have a traction control button. If I press, I can switch traction control off and on. And finally, I have the automatic stop start that will illuminate when the automatic stop start is disabled and will not illuminate when the automatic stop start is enabled. Don't forget to talk your customer through the entertainment system, showing them different features, how to access Apple Carplay. As you can see here, I need my phone plugged in via the USB lead in order for Apple Carplay to work. You can also talk them through the different features here and show them how their air conditioning and heating control works. It's also good to show the customer where key contents of the vehicle are located. So we can see here in the glove box we have the service book and logbook. We also have the locking wheel nut and the funnel for screen wash. Don't forget to show your customer where some of the trickier located items are to find. We can see here we've got the bonnet hatch. To open that, I simply pull it towards me twice. If you know a customer had a younger child, why not show them the Isofix feature? You can also show customers how easy it is to bring a seat down to create a bit of extra space within that boot. It's always really handy to know where the spare tyre is kept in case of an emergency, so don't forget to show your customer that. So that concludes my handover video. You can always tailor your video to suit your customer's requirements. My final tip is always finish on yourself. You can also use this as an opportunity to introduce the after sales department or ask the customer to download any OEM apps that may help them along their journey in the future. I hope you enjoyed this handover video. I hope you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.